We'll finally experience rain in Doha. Just look at this. You can see those raindrops. It's amazing. He said, "Here's like God, there is some rain, and here's the rain coming. Some rain from heaven above." This is me. You can see the car. It's all covered up in rainwater. Oh, this is amazing. We're crazy too. Having rain in the desert. I've been here for like 5 months. Never seen a sign of water coming from above. Today, I'm gonna show you a mud pool of water. Some water coming up. Oh, wow. This is crazy. I'm gonna put my feet in some water. I'm putting in some water right here. Right. Just look at the cars coming up. Wow. This is amazing. Amazing stuff. Rain in the desert. Rain in the desert. Father, we thank you for the rain. Rain in the desert. Thank you for the rain. See, this is all water. I'm gonna walk inside. Right here. See? You can see the water movement. It's water, rainwater. See the birds flying around the block. Oh yeah. This is good. See? Flying chickens right there around the building. My brother there just went past by. It's amazing. I'm glad there's some rain in the desert. I'm not gonna sign up. I could go back inside. We'll go back inside. Woo. This is me signing out from Doha. Goodbye, people. Good.